Here is how we can send photos as documents on WhatsApp using your Android. So let me show you exactly how we can make it work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So whenever you open up your WhatsApp and you want to attach a photo, you tap on the paperclip, of course, and this is the crucial difference of how you basically attach it, because when I tap on paperclip, I can use the gallery or camera where I can import the photo like that, and it's going to show as an actual image, right? It's going to give me the preview. It's going to look like that inside of the chat, and it's sent as a photo. If you want to send it as a document, instead just tap on the paperclip, but go to the files, which you can then proceed to the browse documents and tap on images if you want to filter it through this, or just find an image stored in your Files app. But the whole point is that when you attach an image like that, you can see that it doesn't show any preview. It looks like a document in the file format of, for example, JPEG or I don't know, PNG or whatever. But when you attach it like this, you can see that it looks a little bit different, and that's like the whole point. I'm not saying it's better in any way, or I'm not sure what if there is any difference at all, but the way that it shows up or the way it's attached, then this definitely makes it a difference. So that is all I wanted to show you. That's the thing which I wanted to explain. So let me know what you think below in the comments. For now, that's gonna be about it, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads as well.